Hi students, very good morning to all. Welcome to online class. In our last class, we learn about the how to draw the circle for the following measurement. They are giving a 5 sums. First 2 sums I will done for you and remaining 3 sums I gave a homework. Okay. First one 8 centimeter. Now you check the answer ma. Okay. This is a 8 centimeter circle and I am measuring the line segment. This is also 8 centimeter. Okay, so radius OA equal to 8 centimeter. This like only you want to write the final answer. And then the next sum is 6.8 centimeter. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, I am measuring the line segment. This is also 6.8 centimeter. So radius equal to OA equal to 6.8 centimeter. Okay, that's all. And then the next one is 8.6 centimeter. Okay, va? This is a circle of 8.6 centimeter. So radius equal to OA equal to 8.6 centimeter. Okay, va? Now measuring this line ma from center of the circle to the end of the circle. This line also must be 8.6 centimeter. Suppose this is also 8.6 centimeter means your circle is correct. Understand amma? Okay, this like only you want to draw the circle. Okay, so identifying center, radius and diameter of the circle. This is also we already learned in your before class. Okay, now what is mean by center? Center means you already know. Okay, O is the center of the circle. Okay, wow, that means middle of the circle. Then radius. Radius means from center of the circle to the end of the circle. In between the distance is called radius. Isn't it? No. In the sum also you measuring the radius. Isn't it? No ma? Okay. Now here see this is one mark ma. All the radius are equal in length in a circle. Okay, all the radius are equal in a circle. Okay, va? Now what is mean by diameter? Diameter means in diameter there are two radius. Okay, va? OB is one radius and OA is another one radius. So AB is a diameter. In diameter they are having two radius. Okay, okay, mama. The AB is the diameter of the circle. And also this is known as the longest chord. Okay. So look at the circle ma. The AB is the longest chord and LM and XY. This is also what? Longest chord. But AB is only a diameter. Okay, because this is only passing through the center of the circle. Which chord is passing through the center of the circle? That line segment is called the diameter. Okay, now AB only is passing through the center of the circle, no? So the line segment AB is a diameter of the circle. Remaining two lines are called chords. Okay, va? Understand amma? Center means O is the center of the circle. Radius means the distance between center of the circle from the center of the circle to the end of the circle. In between the distance is called radius. Okay, and also in radius in circle all the radius are equal. Okay, Vama, this is 2 points. There are radius means a distance from the center to the end of the circle. In between the distance is called radius, and in circle all the radius are equal. Diameter means in diameter there are two radius. Okay, va? We are joining the two radius means that is called the diameter. And another one point, in circle which line segment is passing through the center of the circle, that line segment is called a diameter. Okay, va? And then there are again two line segments are there, that is called a chord. Okay, Vama, and AB is also known as a longest chord. Okay. This is we already learned in a before class. And two formulas also we already learned ma. Diameter, I already said that in diameter they are having two radius. So what is the formula? 2 into radius. Okay, this is also I am already told in a before paragraph. What is mean by radius? What is mean by radius? Very good, half of the diameter, isn't it? No, so half means divided by 2, so diameter divided by 2. Okay, well, this is 2 formula. And we are already seeing the 2 examples. Now in this class we are going to the activity ma. Okay, shall we go to the class ma? Now take a page number 8. Activity: measure the radius and diameter of the following circle. They are giving the 3 circles and we want to find out the radius and diameter. First, which like we find out the radius? What is mean by radius? A distance from the center to the end of the circle. Okay, wow. Now take the scale and measure the distance in between the 2 points. Okay, ma. Now take the scale. Okay, your 0 centimeter want to touch the point O. Okay, now we want to measure the end of the circle. Okay, and you must be draw the line. Okay ma, this like you want to draw the line ma and measure this line. Yes, this is a 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter only, no? So radius equal to, this is a point A. Okay, and this is 1 centimeter. So radius equal to, write 1 centimeter ma. Okay, ma, radius equal to 1 centimeter. Now what about the diameter? You already know that the formula. What is the diameter formula? 2 into radius. So 2 into radius. 2 into radius equal to what? 1 na. So 1 2s are 2. So what is the diameter? How? 2 centimeter. Okay, and there is another one method ma. Diameter equal to 2 radius. So you want to measure from the point left of the end to the right of the end. Okay va. Keep that 0 in left, and yes, this is a 2 centimeter only, no? From the right end left, keep the 0 degree at left end ma. Now what is the degree in a right end? 2 centimeter. So your answer is correct. Like the same way, this is a point and measure this line ma. Yes, this is what? Okay, this is 1.6 centimeter. Okay va. One 1.6 centimeter. So radius equal to 1.6 centimeter. Now we want a diameter, means we want to multiply by 2. So 2 into 1.6. Okay, first from the last digit we want to multiply by 2. 6 2s are 12. So put 2 here, 1 remainder. Okay, now 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Here after 1 digit, here keeping a decimal point. So same like that, after 1 digit we keeping the decimal point. Now 3.2 centimeter. If you have any doubt, means please take the scale ma. Okay, you keep the 0 degree at the left end. Now you measure the right end. Okay va. What is it? 3.2 correctly coming Okay, that's all. Same like that here ma. This is a point A and measure this line correctly. Okay, okay ma, this is 0.7 centimeter. Okay va. Okay va. This is 0, this is 0.5. Okay, 0.7 means after the 5 we want to count the 2 lines. This is 5, so this is 6, 7. So this is only what? 0.7 centimeter. Okay, so here write radius equal to 0.7 centimeter. Now we want a diameter means we want to multiply by 2. 2 into 0.7. Now we want to do the multiplication. Okay, from the last digit we want to start the multiplication. 7 2s are very good, 14. So put the 4 here and 1 remainder. Okay, next 0 into 2. Yes, any number multiplied by 0 means the answer is also 0. Okay, now 0 plus 1, 1. After the 1 digit here keeping a decimal point, so you also follow this. So 1.4 centimeter. This is a diameter. Okay, va? If you have doubt means take the scale. You keep a 0 degree at the left end. This like, okay. And look at the right end, ma. Yes, this is a 1.4 centimeter. So your answer is correct. Understand, amma? Okay. Now exercise 1.4, fill in the blanks. Okay. All the radii of the circle are? In circle all the radius are? Very good. Equal. So equal is the answer. Okay, ma. All the radius of the circle are equal. Write the answer. Okay. Next second question. Yeah, dash is the longest chord. I already recalled this. Okay. Dash is the longest chord, ma. Diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. For this only I recall this paragraph. Okay, va? Okay. Diameter is the longest chord. Okay. Third question. A line segment joining any point on the circle. Okay. A line segment. Line segment means just a line. Okay. A line passing through the any point on the circle to its center. Okay. A line segment passing through the center of the circle. That line segment is called what? Yes. A line segment joining any point on the center to circle to its center. This is called radius. Okay, wow. So radius is the answer. Now a line segment with its end points. End point means both left and right. Okay. A line segment with the joining from left and right. This line segment is called what? Yes, chords. So this is the answer. CHORD. Okay, what? Twice the radius. Twice means 2. So 2 into radius. Very good. Diameter. 2 into radius what? Diameter. So write the diameter. Is that clear, ma? Okay. Now find the diameter of the circle. Okay, va? This is sum, ma. Okay, now we want to find out the diameter. Diameter means you just write D. Okay, radius means small r. Keep in mind. Okay. Okay, ma. Now page number 9. B. Find the diameter of the circle. First sum radius equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. First take your note. Okay. First write the question. Okay. Then after write given. Given. What is the given, ma? Yes. Radius equal to 10 centimeter. Radius r equal to 10 centimeter. We want to find the diameter. So D equal to we want to find it. Now we want to use the which formula? Diameter formula. So what is the diameter formula? In diameter there are 2 radius. So 2 into r. Put the box, ma. Write the formula and put the box. Okay. Equal to 2 into radius equal to we already know 10. So put the 10 here. Okay. Now D equal to 2 tens are very good 20. So 20 centimeter. That's all. Understood, Amma? Now diameter we find out it. Diameter equal to 20 centimeter. Understood or not? Okay. Same like that. Second sum. Okay, ma. Now second sum radius equal to 8 centimeter. Same like that we want to do here. Okay, ma. First write the given. What is given ma? Radius equal to 8 centimeter. So small r equal to 8 centimeter. Now we want to find out the diameter. So d equal to question mark. Now we want to use the which formula? Very good, diameter formula. What is the diameter formula? D equal to 2 into r. Put the box. Okay, twice the radius, 2 into r. Put the equal to 2 into, what is the r given here? 8. So put the 8 here, this slide. Now d equal to 2 8s are, say the 8th formula. 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are, very good, 16. So 16 centimeter is the answer. Diameter equal to 16 centimeter. Understand ma? Now 2 sum I will explain ma. Now third sum is your homework. Okay, third sum equal to radius equal to 6 centimeter ma. You want to find out the diameter. Third sum is your homework. Understood ma? Okay. Okay ma. Now C. C part, find the radius. Now we want to find out the radius. Radius means small r. Okay, diameter means capital D. Okay ma. First sum, diameter equal to 24 centimeter. First write the given. What is the given here? Diameter equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, now we want to find out the radius. So radius equal to question mark. Now we want to use here which formula? Very good. Radius only we want to find out. So write the radius formula. Radius equal to, what is the radius formula? Yes, half of the diameter. So diameter divided by 2. This is the formula, put the box. Okay, and then equal to, D equal to 24. So 24 divided by 2. Okay, now we want to do here division. Okay, denominator come outside. Okay, this 24 goes inside. Now we want to use 2 table ma. Okay, first take the first digit. Okay, 2. In 2, the number 2 come how many times in 2 table? 1. 1 2s are 2. So 2. Now we want to do the subtraction. 2 minus 2, 0. Now 4 come down. Okay. The number 4 comes how many times in 2 table? Very good, 2 times. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So now do the subtraction. 4 minus 4, 0. Now what is the answer here? 12. 12 is the answer. Okay ba? So radius equal to 12 centimeter. Understand ma? Okay. Now second sum, diameter equal to 30 centimeter. Same like that, you put the given. You already know the diameter, so D equal to 30 centimeter. Now we want to find out the radius. So radius equal to question mark. Okay, now we want to use the which formula? Radius formula. So first write the formula. Radius equal to diameter divided by 2. Okay, and then put the equal to one. Diameter equal to what? 30 centimeters. So 30 divided by 2. Okay, same like that. Here also we want to do the division. So 2 goes outside, 30 come inside. Okay ba? Okay, first take the first digit, 3. The number 3 comes how many times into 2 table ma? No ba, 1 2s are only 2. So 1 2s are 2. Now we want to do the subtraction here. 3 minus 2, very good, 1. Okay. Now 0 comes down. So what is the number here? 10. So the number 10 come how many times in 2 table? Very good, 5 times. So 5 2s are 10. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 10, 0. Now what is the answer ma? 15 is the answer. Okay, so write 15 equal to, R equal to 15 centimeter. Are you all clear in this? Okay ma. Now I done for you first and second sum. Third sum is your homework ma. Okay. Diameter equal to 76 centimeter ma. Third sum question. That is your homework. Okay, Mama? Okay. Okay, Ma? Okay. Now, what is your homework, Ma? Radius equal to 6 centimeter and diameter equal to 76. These two sums are homework. In this sum, you want to use the diameter formula, and this sum you want to use the radius formula. This two sum is your homework. Okay, write in your note and take the photo and send to the group. Okay, Mama? Now let us know circle. You already know that. A line segment joining any point on the, this all are 1 marks. Important 1 marks. Okay, Mama? Now, a line segment joining any point on the circle to the center is called radius. You already wrote here, no? That same one. A line, next second one. A line segment with its end point. End point means both left and right. A line segment passing through the left and right means that is called chord. Okay. A chord passing through the center of the circle. A line passing through the center of the circle means that is called diameter. Now, diameter is the longest chord. Okay, va? Now, they are giving one activity. Understand the properties of 2D shapes. Measure the sides and identify the name of different objects and find the differences among and fill the table given below. Below they are giving one table, ma. And in this table, they are giving 4 shapes. Now, we want to write the properties of square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus. These 4 properties we want to fill in this box. Okay, va? First, square. Square having how many sides, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 sides also 4 sides also equally having a. So, 4 equal sides. Okay, vertices means corner. How many corner are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, vertices 4. Diagonals. Diagonals means you already know very well. A line joining opposite corner. Okay, this is the opposite to this point. So, this is one diagonal and this is another one diagonal. Now, how many diagonals are there? 1, 2. So, 2 diagonals. In this square, 2 diagonals also equal. Okay, so 2 diagonals are equal. Understood? Now, shapes, objects in the shapes. Example. Above they are giving, see, chessboard, postcard, window, kite, paper, newspaper, Max kit box. Which is the example for square? Yes, we already learned, no? Carom board. Take page number 5. Carom board, chessboard, one face of the side. This is the example of square. So, write here chessboard. Okay, va? Are you understood, Amma? Okay, now rectangle. First, you want to count the sides, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides, ma? 4 sides. So, 4 sides. This is the first point. Second point. In rectangle, all the sides are equal. No, only opposite sides are equal. So, write here opposite sides are equal. Okay, Mama? Opposite sides are equal. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many diagonals? Yes, 1, 2. Okay, va? And two diagonals also equal, amma? Yes, equally having. Yes, 2 diagonals are equal. Sharp the pencil and write the answer, ma. Now, example, object in the shapes. Yes, we already write the chessboard, so leave it. Postcard, window, kite, paper, newspaper, Max kit box. Which is a suitable example for the rectangle? Very good. Postcard. So, write the postcard here. Okay, next, parallelogram. Parallelogram having how many sides, ma? How many sides parallelogram having? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, write the first point. 4 sides. And which like having four sides also? Yes, 4 sides also equal and parallel. Sorry, 4 sides also not, only opposite sides are equal and parallel. So write here. Okay, opposite sides are equal and parallel because this is parallelogram. Okay, how many vertexes? Same like that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many diagonals are there? 1, 2. And 2 diagonals also equally having a? No. In parallelogram, 2 diagonals are not equal. Or not equal. Okay, what is the example for parallelogram? Yes, you can write window, paper, newspaper. Okay, va? Okay, and then rhombus. Rhombus having how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 4 sides also equally having a? Yes, this is also like a square only, no? Okay. So rhombus have 4 equal sides. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next diagonal. How many diagonals are there? Okay, ma. Kite is example for rhombus, and rhombus having 2 diagonals, and 2 diagonals are not equal. Okay, take a page number 5. Okay, in rhombus diagonals are not equal. Here giving the statement. Okay, understood, amma? Sharp the pencil and write the answer clearly. Understood or not? Okay. Okay, in our next class we see about the perimeter. Perimeter means nothing, ma. Just we want to do the addition of the sum of the all sides. Okay, if they are giving one shape means first we want to write the sides, then after we want to do the addition for all the sides. Okay, va? For example, here giving sides AB, BC, CD, DA, va? Perimeter means we want to add all the sides. Okay, va? That means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That means 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2. And that's suppose 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 means 19. So perimeter equal to 19 centimeter. That's all. We clearly see in this topic in next class. Okay, va? Now what is your homework means? You want to complete the book exercise 1.4, and activity measure the radius and diameter, and then complete this fill in the tabular column. Okay, and then you want to write in your note this 2 sum you want to work out in your note. Okay, va? And you want to write the answer for all the sums. Down itself you write the answer, ma. Okay, but this 2 sum only you want to write in your note. Okay, va? Thank you, ma. If you have any doubt means please ask to me. I will clarify in your next class. Okay, thank you.